Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at a game-changing shop essential, the Jet Metal Dust Collector Stand, rated at 472 CFM. Before we jump in, don't forget to check the link below to grab this at the best available price. It's often discounted for pros and shop owners. Down pointing finger emoji, down pointing finger emoji. Toolbox emoji, first impressions. Out of the box, the Jet Dust Collector Stand looks and feels heavy-duty. With a compact footprint and sturdy steel construction, it's built to last, no cheap parts here. You can instantly tell it's designed for metalworking shops, but it fits well in any serious DIY or fabrication space. Speedy emoji, key performance specs. White check mark emoji, 472 CFM suction power. Powerful enough to handle dust and metal shavings from multiple benchtop tools like belt grinders, buffers, sanders, drills and cutoff wheels. It pulls debris fast and effectively, keeping your workspace clear of fine airborne metal particles that standard shop vacs just can't touch. White check mark emoji, single phase, 115 volts operation. Standard household voltage compatible, just plug and play. No special wiring or installation needed, which is great for small shops and garages. Mute emoji, noise inefficiency. Surprisingly quiet for an industrial dust collector, you won't need ear protection to run it alongside other tools. Excellent air filtration keeps harmful particles out of your lungs and away from your gear. Minimal vibration, built-in rubber feet keep it stable during operation. Brick emoji, build quality and design. Heavy-duty steel housing with durable powder-coated finish. Built-in stand doubles as a tool support surface, space-saving and functional. Easy access dust collection drawer for quick disposal. Compact design fits under or beside most benchtop tools. Includes a flexible 4 inches dust port for direct connection. Brain emoji, who is this for? Fabricators and metalworkers. DIYers with high-powered grinders or sanders. Garage shop owners who want to upgrade from noisy, ineffective vacuums. Anyone needing better air quality and cleanup efficiency in a small to mid-sized workspace. Receipt emoji, final thoughts. The Jet Metal Dust Collector Stand, 472 CFM, 1Ph 115 volts, is a total workhorse for serious metalworking setups. It's compact, powerful, and whisper quiet, offering a massive upgrade over traditional vacs or underpowered extraction systems. If you're grinding, polishing, or sanding metal, this is one of the smartest shop upgrades you can make in 2025. Right pointing finger emoji. Click the link in the description below to grab yours, and drop a comment if you want to see it paired with other Jet tools in a full workshop build. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more honest tool reviews, workshop setups, and gear breakdowns.